Today's English word penury. 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 In British English,
Penury. Penury. Penury.
in American English, the pronunciation is
Penury. Penury. Penury.
and Indian English.
Penury. Penury. Penury.
Now part of the speech, it is noun. Meaning in Hindi, दरिद्रता, अभाव, कंजूसी, गरीबी. दरिद्रता, अभाव, कंजूसी, गरीबी. In English, meaning in English, impoverishment, poverty से बना होगा ये. Impoverishment, a state of extreme poverty or destitution. Impoverishment, a state of extreme poverty or destitution. Now similar words, indigence, need. Indigence, need. Opposite words, wealth, luxury. Wealth, luxury. Example sentence, he could not face yet another year of penury. He could not face yet another year of penury. गरीबी का एक और साल वो फेस नहीं कर सका. He was cradled in the lap of penury. He was cradled in the lap of penury. Thank you.